Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $5.24 this week that I plan on putting into my envelope. So I'm just going to figure out all the amounts for everything and get the denominations that I need to ask for when I go to the bank today. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing. I already figured out my wallet. My wallet usually gets the same amount every week. So it gets a total of $170 in here. Spending, I will get 30. Eating out will get 30. Groceries, 80. Coffee, 20. And then buffer, 10. I've been pretty good this week with like not spending too much. I've been busy at home, so it's been keeping me out of the stores and out of shopping. And also I've been just eating at home a lot, so that's helped too. But today I actually plan on spending a little eating out money. I'm gonna get some In-N-Out, so that'll be like 10 bucks. So I'll still have 20 bucks left over, so that's good. Any of this leftover money that I have in my wallet, when I cash stuff, will go into savings challenges. So I'm actually looking forward to putting that into some savings challenges because I have a couple that I'm trying to finish, which actually I'm gonna go into right now. Once I calculate this, so minus the 170. So I have my 100 envelope savings challenge. I'm going to fill the largest number I have left in here, which is, what's the number? 24. 24? Yes, 24. So I'm gonna fill 24 up here. Oops. 524 minus 170 minus 24. Okay, and then the other thing that I wanted to do before I move on to my envelopes is just do a little, kind of like a roll the dice kind of game. But this one's called Boomopoly. This one's from the Millennial Dollar. So I have this one that I'm playing right now. I need to grab my dice. And I think I'm gonna roll twice. Let's see what 2 rolls gets me. Okay, so let me get this out. So I left off on this $3 space here. And I'm gonna see, we'll see which roll first. I have 3, so that's 1, 2, 3. So I'm at a 6, the 6th spot. And I'll roll one more time. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which is $4. So that is a total of 10 for this challenge. And then I'm just going to mark here. I need to get a white. I'm gonna wipe this off, but it comes off with water. I just didn't bring anything with me to clean that off. But I'm gonna do 10 in this challenge here. So 10. Okay, those were the 2 savings challenges I want to get out of the way first, and then I will come back to this to fill some more once I do all the other envelopes. Oh, and while I'm putting this away, if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because, you know, it helps out my channel. Hopefully you like what you're seeing here. If you're new to my channel and you want to check out more of my content, the best way to do that and to be on top of it is to subscribe. It also helps out my channel a lot. I'm trying to hit some subscriber goals this year, so if you can help me with that, that'd be amazing. But yeah, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, all those lovely things help out a lot. All right, so I'm gonna go into my priority envelopes right now are extra savings, which I'm gonna do 35. Month ahead, which will get 35. And Christmas. I've been prioritizing Christmas. Right now I have $6.25. Oops, knocking everything over. Okay, so I'm gonna do Christmas 35. Okay, and those are good now. I like to get those out of the way first before I start putting money into all my other categories. Okay, so now auto this week will get 10. Electronics will get 5. Oops, 5. Emergency will get 15. Extra savings already did. Furniture will get 5. This one's not like a huge priority. So any like not huge priority envelopes will just get 5. I always like to put something in everything, so it'll at least get 5 each week. We did this one. Rainy day will get 10. Registration, 5. Road trip, 10. Going out of town. So you put a little bit of money in there. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions, 5. Travel, 5. Okay. This one's done. Next binder. Beauty. I really need some toner, so I'm going to put 10 in here. Clothing will get 5. Costco will get 5. I think I'm going to Costco this week, so getting a little bit in there. Family will get 5. Gifts, 10. Home, 5. Household, 5. Pantry doesn't get anything. Oh, I wrote it on my sheet. No. Let me cross this out because it'll confuse me. Target will get 5. Okay, I'm left with 90. Go into this pink binder. Okay, I'm going to Disneyland this weekend. So it's just a solo trip. I'm just gonna go check some things out. There's a couple things I want to food-wise try. There's this like baked potato with chili on it. I really want to try that. I've been wanting to try that. Last time that I went, they were out of potatoes, so I couldn't get one. They had the chili one, and then they had a chicken pot pie potato. So those were super popular, and they were like ran out of potatoes for a bit. So I wasn't able to get one, but I'm hoping to get one next time. And there's something else I want to try, and then yeah. So I think I'm gonna put 10 in there. Go Wild will get 5 this week. Treat Yourself will get 15. Fun will get 5. Hobbies will get 5. Oop, did I do that right? Oh no, I think I messed up. Okay, I need to double check my numbers. Okay, I think I was good. I just thought I messed up, but I didn't. So 50 is left. So already did Christmas. Holiday decor will get 5. Okay, that leaves me with 45 for the rest of my challenges. So let's see what I can do with that. I have Cash Stash, which is this one that I've been coloring in. I'm just gonna do 5 for this one. And then I won't be able to color in a section, but I'll hold it until I have enough, maybe in like a week or 2, to color in an area on that sheet. So this one's just gonna get 5. And then I have 52 circles this week. I'm gonna plan for 5. I do have a decent amount of leftover money so far in my wallet. I might be able to put into some of these challenges. So I'm just gonna plan for 5 and then hope to like bump it up with some leftover money. So 5. And then I have these challenges here. This one only got one $10 bill last week, so I kind of want to do a little bit more, but then I kind of don't. You know what? No, I'm just gonna plan for 10 for this one, and then I will do 10 for this one. This is a $5 challenge. And then 5 for the $1 challenge. And it leaves me with $10, but I think I want to put that $10 into a couple more of the other envelopes that I just filled or just planned for. So I think I want to do family, because I'm going to hang out with my family this weekend. So I'm just going to put a little bit more into that envelope. Family will get 10 instead of 5, so it's a 5 there. And since I'm going to Disneyland, I'm just gonna bump this up a little bit more to 15. That's the other 5. Okay, I'm pretty sure that amount is correct, but I'm gonna just double check since I feel like I kind of messed up a little bit, and now I'm worried I didn't do it right again. So just gonna double check my numbers, make sure I'm good, and then I'll move on to the next part. All right, my numbers look good, so I can move on to the next part, which is figuring out the denomination. So I'm just going to put down a little tally for each bill that I need for each envelope. So Otto's gonna get 10, a $10 bill. I have a 5 here. Emergency is 15, so that's 10 and a 5. Extra savings is 35, 20, 35. Then a 5, another 35, 10, 5, 10. And then I have a few 5s here. 10, a couple more 5s, a couple of 10s, and a couple of 5s. Okay, and then here I have another 5, 15, 5, 15, 5, 5, 20, 35, 5. Okay, and then 100 envelope is 24, so that's 20, almost put in the wrong spot. 20, and then 4 ones. 52 circles is 5. Cash Dash is 5. Boomopoly is 10. $10 challenge is 10. $5 challenge is 10, so that's 2 5s. And $1 challenge is 5. Okay, now I'm just gonna count all my tallies. 50, I just need 150. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And then 1s is 5, 10, 14. Okay, now I just need to figure out the total for the bottom, or once I multiply these. So 50 times 1 is 50. 7 times 20 is 140. 10 times, wow, I wrote this wrong. I wrote this number down wrong. That is not 190. Is it 19? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, this is 19 10s, not 190, but a total of 190. Got ahead of myself apparently. 26 times 5 is 130, and then 14. So I'm just gonna calculate everything, make sure it does total 524. Oops, 50, 140, 190, 130, and 14. Perfect. So let me get a little sticky note. And I'm just gonna write down all this stuff, all this information to give to the teller today. So 50s, I need 1. That is a $50 bill. 20s, I need 7. 140. 10s, I need 19. That is a total of 190. 5s, 26 for 130. And 1s, I need 14 of those, and that's $14, and that is a total of $524 that I'm pulling out of the bank to cash stuff in my next cash stuffing this week. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in here, take that to the bank, and then I will be set to get the money I need for my next cash stuffing. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you are new to my channel, thank you for watching, especially if you watch to the very end. All of you who watch to the very end are always the best, because that really helps out my channel. If you're one of those awesome people, leave me a heart emoji down in the comments, or you can leave me a comment. That really, really helps out. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully you want to stick around and see some more content on my channel. Definitely check out how I cash stuff for this, because it will change. My savings challenge has changed thanks to this leftover money that I have in my wallet. So yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.